Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final shout out assembly of the year. And what an amazing year. What an amazing number of shout outs as well we've had over the year. If you look back over the videos, you can go back right back to the start of the year. You can see all the amazing shout outs and the amazing children right the way through. Because they're all still on YouTube, so go and have a look. But today it's Friday, the 9th of July, and we're here for nursery, reception, year 1 and year 2. Shout outs to children who've had just an amazing week. Come on then, let's start off. Let's have a little look. Look at these guys. Look at this. Look at these. Look. Miss Wright's superstars. Miss Wright's sporting superstars, it should say as well, because you've had such an amazing sports day as well. It was brilliant. So we've got Maddie, we've got Jasmine, we've got Phoenix, we've got Seema, we've got Raphael, we've got Aiden, we've got Archie, and we've got Bella. And all of these children really took part amazingly in sports day. But they've had an amazing week being really independent as well, getting themselves ready for reception. It is amazing. So really well done, guys. Stand up now, and then everyone can give you a big clap in your class. So really well done, you nursery children. Proud of you. Moving on. Look at Miss Ruffles. Reception, shout outs and thank yous to the whole class for joining in and trying so hard at sports day. Come on, stand up. Stand up, turtles. Everyone stand up. Come on, because it's all of you. Look, what an amazing sports day. Look how brilliant you all are. And I was so impressed at how you were really kind to everyone. However, wherever they came in those races, you were clapping them on and cheering them on. So give yourselves all a massive clap and cheer in class now. But well done to the whole class. Look at that determination on your faces. Really well done, guys. Proud of you. Thank you. Moving on. Oh, look out. Miss Marshall shout outs. Look at these year ones. Wow, look at the artwork as well. It is amazing. So we've got Alex, we've got Crystal, we've got Eliza, we've got Lola, we've got Olivia, Emily, Mantadas, and Jack. Fantastic artwork, guys. It is a brilliant, so impressive. And I know you've worked really, really hard on that. So I know, come on, stand up. Let's give them a big cheer. So really, really well done and a massive shout out to you guys. Well done. Moving on. Oh, look at that, Miss Begums. Look at these other year ones as well. Honestly, look at this artwork. It is amazing. Look. Anna Maria, Bartos, Lily, Kobe, Scarlett, Caden, Sophie, Mason, Beatrix, Sophia and Marcy. Absolutely brilliant, guys. It's really lovely to see some beautiful artwork going on. You guys have nailed it. Look at this. Look how proud you are as well. Big smiley faces. Well done. Stand up in class. Let's give them a big cheer, guys. Come on, let's give them a big shout out. Well done. Moving on. Oh, Mrs. Cooks, look at these year twos. Again, working so hard as well. And also out on trip as well. You see them, look. So we've got Casper, we've got Alfie, we've got Ebony, we've got Maya, we've got Ebony, Rosie, Ramin, Robbie, Alex, Leah, Jake and Riley. Look at Jake, look at his running, look. Amazing sports day as well from these year twos. But also the work that you're going on, whether that's at forest school, whether that's out on the trip, wherever you are. Look at Casper, head down working. Still working so hard, you year twos. So let's give them a massive cheer, please, in class, because that's really, really good. What an amazing shout out to all of them in this penultimate week. Well done. Moving on. Great sportsmanship. Look at these. Here we go. Look at these year twos. Miss Hawkins was so impressed with these children in the sportsmanship. I was talking earlier about really cheering everyone on, cheering their friends on, wherever they came or whatever they did. So we've got Rosie, we've got Esme, we've got Bruna, we've got Esme, we've got Jacob, we've got Cece, and we've got Jackson. Look at that. Look at that running. Look at Cece powering down. Absolutely superb. Jacob, look how fast they are going. What a brilliant sports day, guys. Stand up in class. Let's give you another massive cheer for being just brilliant sportsmen and being so kind to all your friends as well and cheering them on. Well done. Moving on. Oh, look, hold on a minute. Look at all these sharks. The whole shark class, look. The reason you are all there is because of an amazing sports day as well. You were just all brilliant. Everyone said how well behaved you were, not only how well behaved and how kind you were, how you cheered everyone on, but how hard you tried in every single race. Because every single one of you did every race. And it was just a lovely way to see you all competing against each other. So really well done, Sharks. Proud of you. You can all stand up now. Give yourselves all a pat on the back. Well done. Well done. Right. Another fantastic week. Wasn't it just? It was brilliant. It was lovely to see you all at Sports Day, parents, when you were there. So really lovely to see you all and just the children that really enjoyed it. So massive shout out to all you parents and thank you for coming to support us in our first event where we can do that. So hopefully next week we have just as well a good week. There's no shout outs next week. It's presentation assembly and child of the year at the end of next week. So we look forward to that. Till that, everyone. Bye-bye now.